Dear teachers, in this video you will learn how to set up a lecture and manage the lecture content effectively. Once logged in, you may see the allocated courses on dashboard, for which you need to set up lectures. To set up a lecture, go to the Lectures tab and click Add Record. In the pop-up window, pick up the course, add the lecture title and notes. You may select the checkbox for first lecture if it's the first lecture for the course. There is another option to select the next lecture, which can be selected only when the next lecture is also added. If you are just adding your first lecture, you may leave it to the default option. Click Save to finish adding a lecture. As the lecture is added, you may add content in the form of videos, texts, slides, images, etc. by clicking on the lesson button next to the lecture name. In the pop-up window, select Add Lesson and add all the details about the lesson. For the file type, you can select from different file types, such as a text document or a photo or video, or you can share links to already uploaded videos. The display type lets you to control the download or print options for the lesson, and the file option will make you select the file to be uploaded. You can also add contents of the lesson directly as text in the content section. The duration section lets you define the minimum time a student must remain on the lesson slide before they get the option to go to the next. This needs to be defined in seconds. You can also select an assignment, if already added one, or leave it blank to add later. Now, as this is your first lesson, select the checkbox First Lesson. To select the next lesson, you need to have a second lesson added. As for now you have not added any other lesson, leave it to default. To make the process easier, you can start setting up your lessons from last to first. This way you will always have the next lesson to select from the list. Once done with all the details and the files are uploaded, click Save. This adds your first lesson, and similarly you can add further lessons. As the lecture is added, you can also add assignments for them by clicking on the assignment button along the lecture and add record. Enter in the assignment details and save. This way you can add all your lectures, lessons and assignments for the allocated courses.